What if I told you that right now, yes, literally this week you could start a side hustle that earns you more than your 9 to 5 coffee budget in just a few hours? And no, I am not talking about becoming the next TikTok star or flipping Pokemon cards on eBay. Here is the truth. In 2025, people are not just looking for extra cash. They are looking for freedom. Freedom from credit card bills, student loans, and that sinking feeling when your paycheck disappears 2 days after it lands. Let's be real. Groceries cost more, rent feels like a luxury subscription service in crypto. One day it is up, and the next day it is doing the limbo. So what is the solution? Side hustles smart, practical ones that work right now. And in this video, I am breaking down 7 of the best side hustles you can start today. No hype, no scams, just real opportunities that people in the US are cashing in on this year. So buckle up, grab that iced coffee you probably overpaid for, and let's dive in. 1. Crypto microtasks and rewards platforms. Let's start with something fun for the crypto crowd. Did you know there are platforms that literally pay you in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or stablecoins just for completing small online tasks? Think testing apps, watching short videos, or answering surveys. It is not life-changing money, but it is an easy way to stack crypto without investing upfront. And here is the kicker: you are getting paid in an asset that could grow in value. Imagine earning $20 worth of crypto today and seeing it double in the next bull run. But if small tasks are not your style and you want something that builds real momentum, the next hustle is like building digital real estate. 2. Newsletter side hustle. Newsletters are booming right now. Platforms like Substack, Beehive, and ConvertKit make it easy to start one in less than an hour. Pick a niche: crypto updates, fitness hacks, or even quirky local news, and start building an audience. Once you have even a few hundred subscribers, you can monetize with paid subscriptions or sponsorships. Here's a fun analogy. Think of a newsletter like owning your own personal TV channel, except instead of advertisers paying big media companies, they are paying you. And if writing is not your strong suit, do not worry, the next hustle is visual, quick, and insanely fun. 3. Short form. Video editing. TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, they are everywhere. And here's the thing. Creators are drowning in content, but do not have time to edit it all. If you can learn simple editing skills, free tools like CapCut or DaVinci Resolve are all you need, you can start charging $50 to $100 per video. Multiply that by a few clients and suddenly you are making serious side income. But maybe you are thinking, I do not want to chase clients. No problem, the next hustle lets people come to you. 4. Selling digital collectibles, NFT 2.0. Now, before you roll your eyes, NFTs in 2025 are not about pixelated monkeys. They have evolved into digital collectibles with real utility. Think event tickets, loyalty rewards, or in-game items. Platforms like OpenSea and Magic Eden now cater to mainstream users, and people are buying unique digital assets daily. If you are creative, you can design and sell your own. If not, you can even flip undervalued items for profit. It is like trading baseball cards, but with blockchain receipts. But hey, if digital assets are not your vibe and you had rather work with real people, the next hustle is perfect. 5. Virtual event hosting. Remember when everyone was stuck on Zoom during the pandemic? Well, virtual events did not disappear, they leveled up. Now, businesses and communities pay people to organize online workshops, mastermind groups, and even trivia nights. You do not need to be the star, you just need to coordinate, promote, and make it fun. Some hosts are charging hundreds per event. Imagine getting paid to basically throw a party from your living room. Speaking of working from your living room, the next hustle is tailor-made for people who love learning and sharing knowledge. 6. Crypto education and consulting. Here is the reality. Crypto might be mainstream, but most people are still confused. What is staking? How do I set up a wallet? Is Bitcoin taxable? If you understand the basics, you can create beginner courses, offer one-on-one coaching, or even run small group classes. Platforms like Udemy and Skillshare are full of people making steady side income teaching crypto 101. Think of it this way. You do not need to be a Wall Street trader, you just need to be 2 steps ahead of the beginner. And if you want a hustle that is more flexible, something you can literally do while watching Netflix, the final one's for you. 7. Online market research and testing companies are desperate for feedback on apps, products, websites, even ad campaigns. And they are paying for it. Sites like Respondent, User Testing, and DS Scout offer gigs that pay $30, $50, sometimes even $150 for a single test session. All you do is share your opinion, click around, and give honest feedback. It is simple, flexible, and a perfect extra cash right now hustle. So let's recap. Right now, some of the best side hustles include crypto microtasks, launching a newsletter, short-form editing, selling digital collectibles, virtual event hosting, crypto education, and good old-fashioned market research. Here is the big takeaway. There is no single perfect side hustle. The perfect one is the one you will actually start. Pick one, test it out, and give yourself permission to learn as you go. So tell me, if you had to start one side hustle this week, which one would it be? Drop it in the comments, because I had loved to see what you are leaning toward. And if this video sparked even one idea, do me a favor, hit that like button. Subscribe for more money-making tips, and share this with a friend who is always saying, "Man, I need a side hustle." Oh, and do not click away just yet. In my next video, I will reveal high-paying online side hustles for beginners, the kind that do not just bring pocket change, but could seriously boost your monthly income. You would not want to miss it. Until then, stay smart, stay curious, and keep stacking those income streams.